Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan settle divorce 6 years after breakup. Hello dear, welcome to my Allison News channel. On my channel, you will find viral update news. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan, who are parents to 11-year-old daughter Everly, have finalized their divorce after 6 years, with both of them reportedly waiving spousal support. Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan are finally done with their divorce. 6 years after the couple split, the Step Up co-stars have finalized their divorce after an ongoing battle based in part on Channing's continued earnings from the Magic Mike franchise, according to documents obtained by E! News. The pair therefore have avoided a trial that was set for December. Full details of the divorce settlement have not been made public, but Channing and Jenna, who are parents to 11-year-old daughter Everly, both waived spousal support and have also agreed to work out any future disagreements over custody privately with a judge. E! News has reached out to reps for both Channing and Jenna for comment, but has not heard back. Jenna, who shares son Callum, 4, and daughter Rhiannon, 3 months, with fiancé Steve Causey, filed for divorce from Channing in 2018, but recently faced a disagreement in the case over Channing's 2012 movie Magic Mike. 4 months ago, Jenna alleged during their divorce proceedings that they acquired Magic Mike intellectual property together, but that he had put its earnings into an irrevocable trust and transferred licensing rights to a third party without telling her. Channing disputed the claims, saying in a May filing obtained by E! News, "I have never denied petitioner her share of any community assets or income. I have always agreed for petitioner to have an interest in the Magic Mike intellectual property and related entities." The 44-year-old added that during their marriage, Jenna had equal access to our business managers and financial records, and that she's had complete access to all our financial records for all activities during our marriage and since separation. He accused the 43-year-old of using the claim to delay the processing of the case and increase the expense of litigation. In August, Channing, who is engaged to Zoe Kravitz, also accused Jenna of further delay tactics after she filed a motion to disqualify his lawyers from working on the case 3 months before the pair are supposed to go to trial, claiming the move was a transparent attempt to divert the court's attention from her desire to delay these proceedings. Channing additionally argued that her request was devoid of any legal or factual support, and noting that the rookie actress had never been a client at either of his team's law firms. The filing explained that his lawyers, therefore, would not possess any confidential information about her that would give them an unfair advantage in court. For more on the pair's years-long divorce battle, keep reading. While Channing Tatum and Jenna Dewan were declared legally separated in 2019 after 8 years of marriage, the Step Up co-stars remain in dispute over financial matters. They are parents to daughter Everly, born May 31, 2013. In April 2024, Dewan filed documents requesting that she and Tatum testify regarding all issues related to the parties' marriage, including business and financial activities. She also submitted a preliminary exhibit list that requests personal and corporate tax returns and other financial documents, including those regarding profits from the Magic Mike franchise. The rookie actress alleges in the case that they acquired the Magic Mike intellectual property together. She accuses Tatum of putting its earnings into an irrevocable trust and transferred licensing rights to a third party without telling her, People reported, citing court documents. Tatum disputed her claim in his own filing, obtained by E! News. The Magic Mike intellectual property was created during marriage, and various entities that relate to the intellectual property were created during marriage and after separation, the documents state. Tatum has expended extensive efforts since separation towards the enhancement of the Magic Mike intellectual property and related entities, which, he contends give rise to his separate property interest therein. The court, his attorney notes in the filing, will need to allocate the community interest and Tatum's separate property interest in the intellectual property and related entities in consideration of his post-separation efforts. Dewan included in her preliminary witness list several people who worked on the Magic Mike trilogy with Tatum, including director Steven Soderbergh and producers Nick Wexler and Peter Kiernan. In his own preliminary witness list, filed in court one day after Dewan submitted her documents and also obtained by E! News: Tatum included his ex-wife's fiancé, Steve Causey, after Dewan accused her ex of hiding part of his earnings. Tatum, who is engaged to Zoe Kravitz, filed new documents May 2024 claiming her accusations are false. "I have never denied petitioner her share of any community assets or income," he said. "I have always agreed for petitioner to have an interest in the Magic Mike intellectual property and related entities." He continued, "During our marriage, petitioner had equal access to our business managers and financial records. We communicated about our work and various projects on a regular basis. Since our separation, petitioner has had complete access to all our financial records for all activities during our marriage and since separation." The documents also argue that Jenna's petition are intended to further hold up their divorce. It is designed to delay the processing of the case and increase the expense of litigation and will not, in any way, promote early resolution by settlement, the documents argue.